Well, it's hugs in the hills time, isn't it? Look at Jim McGuinness. What a day for Jim McGuinness. He's done it. They have done it.
It is all over. The unbeatable team have been beaten. The All-Ireland champions are out. They have been knocked out by Donegal. A tactical masterclass by the great Jim McGuinness, and Donegal celebrate because they are heading back to the All-Ireland final. They wanted it.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all keeping well in the midst of these crazy times. Just want to bring your attention to something that I received in the post in the last couple of days. It's a calendar by Eamon, the renowned photographer. His work is really exceptional, and some of the imagery in here is absolutely beautiful as well. The really good thing about this calendar is all the proceeds go to St Vincent de Paul, and it's a project that Eamon and a few of his colleagues have been working on for a number of years and raising really good money for a really significant charity. You can see here, this is Dublin at night, so some of them are urban, some of them are country. Here we have Galway, and you can see here all the significant dates throughout the year written in Irish, which is a lovely touch as well. We have our own kids coming back into the country after a number of years out of the country, and they're starting to learn Irish again for the first time, which is fantastic. So something like this is really great for them as well. But I have to say, the imagery and the scenes are something that's just truly beautiful. And so I hope that everybody looking at it could be interested in it for themselves or for a gift for Christmas, and that could, add something really valuable to the charity as well. And we can see at the back a lot of the key images. It's absolutely beautiful, and I hope that hopefully that if somebody has a few spare pound, they could make the effort to invest in this for a worthy cause. Thank you very much.
Singing a song for Jimmy McGuinness.